This is the TICWRIS RS. It's a nice, fashionable smartwatch with a twist your wrist to see the time, displays of all different controls including do not disturb, a brightness, and this is on its lowest setting, a bright flashlight that you can use in the dark, messages pushed from your phone. You have access to your step count and bar chart showing you every hour of your movement. You have a real heart rate chart developing from midnight to midnight, and when you land on this page it shows you your exact measurement, last night's sleep time, weather in your area, and a robust music player that can actually launch a specific app when you want to. From here you can slide over and get access to your walking, running, cycling, 30 some odd different activities that you can do with this watch, and it can figure them out as you go. You've got a breath cycling thing to help with mindfulness, a remote shutter for your camera, blood oxygen measurements as well, stopwatch, find your phone, all kinds of things, including power off, your QR code for downloading the Tethering app, and when you swipe this way, you get all that stuff in the typical Apple display of the bubble menu. All in all, it's a really nice watch, comes with 2 separate bands, super thin, super lightweight. It's the TICWRIS RS. Check it out.